Hi everyone, welcome back again. So today's recipe is fried rice from leftover rice. Now I have previously shown fried rice from leftover rice in a Chinese way. Now today's recipe is a Marathi style recipe. I'm going to add a few veggies to make it look fancy and for my family to enjoy this recipe. You can add shrimp, chicken, anything you like. The possibilities are endless. Let me show you how quick and easy this recipe is and your leftover rice is recycled. No wastage. Let's see how to make it. Come on.
Now don't skip the ghee as it gives a lovely flavor to the final dish. We are going to fry the cashews until golden and keep them aside for some time. Now using the same oil, saute the onions until translucent. You will see the color changing. Here I have cauliflower florets. Preferably try to keep them small for quick cooking. Cover and cook for a few minutes. These are pre-cut frozen mixed veggies thawed to room temperature. You can use any veggies of your choice. We will just saute them and then add the seasonings. Now this is the kanda lasun masala, which is the major flavor enhancer to the dish. You can increase or decrease the amount as per how spicy you like. Adjust salt as per your taste and give a good mix. All the cooking is on medium flame. We need to cook this further just for the veggies to soften a bit. I am adding the veggies in batches as per cooking times required. Lastly, we will toss in the red bell peppers and cook them but still keep them crisp. Slit green chilies have a nice flavor to the dish. Just 5 minutes of cooking will be perfect. Now this is the plain cooked white rice which we will toss in with the cooked veggies. Try to mix gently so you don't break the grains. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on all the yummy recipes that I post every week. A final garnish of fresh grated coconut and the fried cashews, and we are ready to serve this awesome vegetable fried rice. Looks amazing, right? Thank you for watching.
Isn't this such an amazing recipe? Leftover rice gets used and everyone thinks it's a new dish. So I hope you like this recipe. I'll be bringing you such recipes when you can recycle your old food into new food. So stay tuned and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.